Welcome back. Well, it's time for our D-Street Chatter segment. We have Nimesh joining in. Nimesh, it's been a slightly quieter day for the market. You tell us, what are you hearing from the dealing rooms today?
You know, so be quiet but positive, and the good part is that there is now momentum in the financial stocks. That's been the best part. That not only the private banks but even the NBFCs are buzzing in trade. So that leg seems to be now supporting the bull market, or for that matter, the bull rally in the Nifty and in the Bank Nifty. So again, and that's backed by some bit of buying as well. That's the overall sense. From a flow perspective, again there is a small MOC buy basket at a leading FID. So maybe some stocks will get impacted in the last 30 minutes of trade because of that MOC buying. Again, the big theme seems to be the block deals, right? Today itself, you've seen 5,000 crores worth of blocks getting executed. That too in pre-open. So looks like clearly, it's between the institutions that they've bought a stake worth 5,000 crores, and there is more lined up in terms of large block deals. I've been saying this for the last many days that there are many large block deals which are lined up and been executing as well. Technically, again, this momentum is something to watch out for. So again, I'm told on a week-to-week closing basis, if the Nifty sustains above 24,600, then there could be further short covering rally in the large cap name. So that's the overall feedback. But the good part is today, while the markets are quiet, there is a bit of momentum back in the financial names.
And earlier this week, you told us about that Kalyan Jewellers block likely to take place, and that happened yesterday. So what else have you picked up in terms of individual stocks in your chatter?
Well, so the first stock in my list today is Ramco Cements. Again, the entire cement pack seems to be buzzing in trade today, but Ramco stands out largely on back of very strong buy flows. I understand that leading domestic mutual fund has turned aggressive buyer in that particular name, so that's the reason why that stock is buzzing. The second stock is Spicejet. Again, this is going to be quite interesting. Big move in that stock. In the last 10 days, the stock has rallied pretty hard. We all know the kind of troubles the company is going through. But I guess the street is very much excited about the fundraising, which can potentially come very soon. I guess the company is looking to raise money via QIP, so that's something to track going forward. The third is Crompton Consumers. Again, like we saw in Ramco Cement, very strong buy flows, expect high delivery volumes, and looks like the FI momentum is back in Crompton Consumer as well. And the last is MOIL. Surprisingly, there are sell flows at these levels from larger FIs. So a bit of profit booking or whatever, but there are sell flows, so expect high delivery volumes in MOIL as well today.
All right, there's MOIL, Crompton, Spicejet, Ramco, Ambuja is the other one, right, Nimesh? Which
yes, Prashant. So
should see some action later.
Looks like, Prashant, we saw the CNBC exclusive as well, that the Adani Group is looking to raise money in Ambuja Cements, in Adani Power as well. And of course, we all know that the long pending QIP in Adani Enterprise is also likely maybe in the first week of September. But as far as Ambuja is concerned, there is a very strong indication that yes, there could be a large block. 4-5% is what the promoters may sell in a block deal, which can come very soon. It looks like the demand is quite strong. So need to see how it gets executed. But looks like the block is around the corner.
Nimesh, heard anything on Raymond? I mean, I think the real estate business gets listed in the next 2 weeks, right?
Correct. So that's one trigger, but I think the management also spoke at length across most of the conferences. I think we also got them from the Motilal conference yesterday. Looks like the business momentum is something that they are very bullish on, and maybe that's something which is keeping the street excited.